Hey there, welcome to Ohlala. We're all about making tasty cooking easy, with simple steps and spot-on measurements. Today we'll be making a simple but delicious rice pudding. Rice pudding is a creamy dessert made with rice, milk, and sugar. It's gently cooked until thick and smooth, flavored with a touch of cinnamon. It's cozy, comforting, and perfect warm or chilled. Here's everything we'll need. 60 grams or 6 tablespoons of white rice, 500 milliliters or 2.5 cups of milk, 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 cinnamon stick or about 1/4 teaspoon ground cinnamon if you don't have the sticks, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, this is optional, a food processor, a small pot, a whisk or a large spoon. Let's get started. First, we'll process our rice. You can use any white rice, but I prefer the basmati rice. Put your rice in the processor and process it until it's about half the size. Here's an up-close look at mine. Okay, grab your pot and place it on the stove at a medium heat. Pour the milk into your pot, then add in your rice, along with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and your cinnamon stick. Now, we'll add in our sugar. I'm doing about 3 tablespoons, but you can add more or less depending on your taste. You can also substitute sugar for any sweetener you prefer. Give everything a good stir with your whisk or spoon, and continue cooking this mixture until it comes to a boil. Make sure to stir every few minutes. Once it comes to a boil, turn the heat on low and keep stirring continuously. The cinnamon smells so good. After about 25 minutes, you should have a thick and creamy pudding just like this. Do a taste test to make sure the rice is fully cooked. You can cook it for a few more minutes if it's not quite ready yet. Mine is perfect. I'll turn off the heat and transfer the pudding into our serving dishes to cool. Alright, the pudding is all portioned out. Now, let's sprinkle a little ground cinnamon on top. You can serve it warm as is, but personally I love it cold, so I'll let these cool down and then pop them into the fridge for a few hours to chill. Alright, it's been a few hours and they're perfectly cool and creamy. You can serve them as is, or dress them up with your favorite toppings. I love adding fresh fruits like strawberries, and for a bit of a crunch, crushed salted almonds. The sweet and salty combo is absolutely mouth-watering. Ooh la la! These turn out so cute. I can't wait to dig in. Let me know if you like this recipe and how yours turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.